Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a compatible iPhone or iPad and the App Store app open. First, go to Settings and check iOS version. This ensures Assistive Touch behaves predictably. Once done, navigate to Accessibility Touch and toggle Assistive Touch on. That creates the floating menu. Now return to the App Store and select the app you want to interact with. Make sure the floating button is visible so you can start mapping gestures for the app immediately. Next, you customize how Assistive Touch will work inside the App Store and apps. Open Assistive Touch settings and choose Customize Top-Level Menu to add or remove actions. This simplifies the menu to essentials you'll use. Then select Create New Gesture to record the tap or swipe pattern you need, especially for multi-finger tasks. After recording, assign that gesture to a menu icon. This saves time when using the app because your custom action will replay exactly as recorded. Finally, practice using your custom Assistive Touch actions inside the App Store app. Open the app, tap the floating button, and select your saved gesture or action to perform complex inputs quickly. If a gesture misfires, make sure sensitivity settings are adjusted and consider re-recording the gesture for clarity. These tweaks improve reliability. If problems persist, restart the device or toggle Assistive Touch off and on to reset the service. That usually
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.